Hi class, I want to introduce you to the ethics game simulation in a kind of hands-on way. So I'm going to tool you around my own computer to show you step by step what you need to do.
What you're going to do is go through the ethics door and get logged in and registered. But before we do that, let's start you in Blackboard. So what we'll do is we'll go to Blackboard. Here's the Blackboard page, and you'll go into ethics simulation. When you click on ethics simulation, click on ethics simulation website. That'll bring you to the screen you just saw. You click on the game door. When you click on the game door, you put in your username and you put in your password, and you click log in. Once you log in, you'll see a screen that looks like this. Okay, this is the company homepage. Now I want to point out a few things to you here. First, go to the library, and you'll want to read everything that you see here. I know you may not want to read everything that you see here, but this will help you do well in the game. The vision and mission statements of the company, the employee handbook, financial information, orientation notes, that'll help you understand the company. When you look up here, it'll give you manuals about how to write the memo, what the break room and water coolers are there for. This is very, very important. The employee rights procedure manual, governance, discrimination, these tell you about all of these, and the balanced view procedure manual. When you click on the balanced view procedure manual, it tells you how to go through the process that you'll be going through, that you're going to be being attentive, intelligent, reasonable, being responsible, being reflective, thinking through all the things that you need to be thinking through to be able to do well. After you go to the library and you read everything in there, I want you to understand that if you go to the calendar, you can see when everything is due very easily. You go to, you've already done the leadership profile, so the next is the governance case. And I've had a number of students ask me, well, where is the governance case? The governance case is within your division, okay? So let's say that you're in the Southern Division, okay? You go to the Southern Division, you go to your inbox. Everything will come through your inbox, okay? So how we get here? Geosport South, and if you're not in the South, let's say you click on East, it'll tell you as a member of the South Division, you only have access to the South Division pages. So same thing if I click on the North. Okay, so let's go to the South Division, and then we'll click on our inbox, and our inbox will tell us what we need to do. So the governance case for you is called the case of the inexpensive audit. Okay, when we click on it, it'll tell us about the problem, and it'll tell us about how we should go about doing it, and it gives us options of what we need to be doing. And if you click on these hyperlinks, your motive, for example, it'll bring up and tell you what is your motive, how should you be doing, and it'll even reference Everyday Ethics, the textbook. Okay, so go through this, read it carefully, and answer the questions. When you're done, you're going to continue until you have get to the place where you're finally done. Okay. When you actually finish, what you're going to see is your memorandum that you have written based on plugging in that data along the way, and it'll look like this, and I'll be able to see, well, you'll be able to see the full analysis here as well, and it'll tell me all about what you've done and why you've done it, and then I'll grade accordingly. So it's just that easy to be able to do this.
So I hope that helped give you a understanding of how you should be doing the game. I know that at a distance it seems like this is just groping in the dark at first, but once you get used to it, it structurally moves you along the path of making the ethical decision. One I want you to do as well as you can. All right, talk to you later. Bye bye.